Page number 38. Open your grammar book, page number 38. So we began the chapter articles and determiners, right? And in the previous day I told you that determiners can be divided into certain different types. The first type we would be dealing with is articles. Turn off your mic. Okay. So, yes, don't use this group for talking amongst yourself. You can create a group on your own. We don't have any bother, but this is a formal group and it has a formal purpose. Don't use it to send your skill on sending emojis and smileys as if you are seeing them for the first time in your life. It's not that, is it? Okay. So, articles can be divided into two types, definite and indefinite articles. The definite article is the, which is used to discuss something, which is used for identifying something specific. Okay. And indefinite articles are a and an. The indefinite article a is used in front of words which begin with a consonant sound, and the indefinite article an is used for a word which begins with a vowel sound. Okay, so the word vowel sound and consonant sound is important because you have to understand that the word should, you have to identify the sound of the word. That is, even if it begins with a vowel, the sounding might not be that of a vowel. Okay, so this one you can understand. Let us come to the first exercise. Yes, so as I was saying, the sound is important because suppose the word European or university, they look like words which begin with a vowel sound, right? The first one begins with the vowel E and the second one begins with the vowel U. But since we pronounce it as European, the sound is YU, and university also the same thing. So, we will use the article a in front of both. So, we will say a European, a university, not an. Okay, a. Similarly, please turn off your microphones. Similarly, a word which begins with seemingly a consonant, like say honest, hour, they look like they begin with a consonant, that is H, but the sound is that is coming is not of H but O, because this is silent and this is also silent. So, we say an honest woman, an hour left. So, some words are there which begins with a consonant, but they will use the word an. Okay. Come to the first exercise in your book, exercise A. You have to tick the correct option, so do it in the book. He will return in an hour. Okay. Complete the first exercise in the book. And number 2, a lion, a hurry, an opportunity. Number 5, an engineer. Number 6, an actor. So, till number 6 all of you have completed. Come to the next exercise. Exercise B. Good. Now exercise B. Here, before proceeding to exercise B, let us look into detail about the functioning of the definite article the. Okay. When do we use the? It is the definite article, right? So, it is used when we refer to a particular person or particular thing. Sometimes we use the in front of the names of books. So, the is used for referring to something specified, a particular person or a particular thing. There are certain cases when we use the. Number one was, as I told you, a particular person or particular thing about whom we have talked about. With superlatives we always use the, like the tallest, the largest, like that. Okay, for any kind of superlative we use the. We use the in front of the names of seas and oceans. Names of rivers, sea, oceans. Okay. Like that, a lot of use is given. Look at your book, page number 40. Tick all the uses of the with the names of rivers, oceans, with mountain ranges, with holy books and scriptures, like we say the Gita, the Vedas, the Upanishads, with newspaper like the Times of India, the Telegraph. Copying my work. Why? Yes, obviously you will be copying my work, why not? But these things are all written in your book, okay. These points are written in your book, so you can tick it from the book itself. With the names of mountain ranges, holy books, the Quran, the Gita, the Vedas, the Bible, with the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, the Rockies, like that. Okay. So, come to exercise B. Exercise B, you have to do it in the book. Fill up the blanks. She visited the Safdarjung tomb. Number 1 will be the. Number 2 will be the. He always speaks the truth. Number 3, we should always help the needy. Number 4, Rita found a 1 rupee coin, because 1, the pronunciation of 1 is 1, beginning with W, like that. Okay. Answer of B9. Yes, correct. Shashank. So, a 1 rupee. Number 5, he saw the boy Number 6, I always like to read about sports in the Times of India. He saw, number 7, a European, a German and an Indian. Okay. Number 8, we boarded the Lucknow Mail. Number 9, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Number 10, my father is an honorary member. Okay. So next come to exercise C. Wherever it is required, put the, where it is not required, put a cross mark. Honorary means respectable position, okay, which does not have any practical value, but it's a respectable or formal position. Honorary member of the managing committee, that means it's a position of honor. No salary is being drawn against any honorary position, okay, like that. You may write, Antik, you may write. Okay. Come to exercise C. If you write in copy, write in full sentences, because if I check it, if you send it to me, if you don't write in full sentences, it becomes very difficult. Okay, number C1, good and bad always move in opposite direction, so it will be a cross. Number 2, Barack Obama is the President of the United States of America. Number 3, cross. Number 4, the blue car won the race. Number 5, the Statue of Liberty. Number 6, he is the youngest of the 3. Number 7, the New York Times. Number 8, the renowned singer. Okay. Come to the next exercise. Number D. Use appropriate articles wherever necessary, put cross wherever they are not required. So, have you completed till number C, all of you? Yash, Hasibul, Tanisha, Shoikat, Mona Lisa. So, a lot of you have completed already. Come to exercise D. Do it in the book for now, later you can copy it. It took almost an hour for us to reach home. So, appropriate articles mean it can be a, it can be an, it can be the. Okay. If it is not required, if any article is not required, put a cross mark. So, come to exercise D. Number 2, I was taught the first blank will be cross, the second blank will be a. Number 3, cross. English is my favorite subject. You don't have to put any article in front of that. Number 4 also cross. Priyanshu, you have not completed? Complete it fast. Complete it fast. What is the omission of articles? Sometimes the articles are omitted in front of certain expressions or certain sentences, okay, like some in front of the name of days like Monday, Tuesday, we don't use any article. So, omission of articles is nothing other than what we already did. That means, when do we use articles? There are certain cases when we use articles. For all the other cases, we don't use an article. So, the cases when we don't use an article is what is completely written in omission of articles. Look at your book. Omission of article, the topic which is given in your book, look at it, page number 41. It is said that there are certain cases in which we don't use the article the. So, what are those cases? Like names of substances and abstract nouns in general. That means, if I say honesty is a good quality, it is an omission. We are not using any the in front of it, right? B 1, 2, 3, 4. Priyanshu, B. B1 will be the, B2 will be the. Priyanshu, did you join the call late? Did you join the call late? Come on. Sir, can I? So, look at your book, page number 40, question number B, 1, the, 2, the, 3, the, and 4 also a. Rita found a 1 rupee coin. So, students, let us do till number C today. Omission of articles, I will be again telling you about it. Omission of article is nothing except that the cases in which we don't use an article, like in front of the names of country, when they are single units, India, Pakistan, China, we call just India is my country, we don't say the India. But if it is a group of states which are together, or it has been joined together by some kind of formal title, right, like we say the United States of America, okay, the United Kingdoms, the United Arab Emirates, but in front of names of single countries like India, South Africa, we don't use the article the, okay. So, let you try to complete exercise D on your own. Next day we will proceed with the class, okay. So, thank you.